SmartSize automatically adjusts the language of the quiz to match the language of your store. If a customer switches to a different language, the pop-up will instantly update as well. However, there are 3 text elements need to be translated manually. In your theme editor, click on Find My Size button. This will open all the settings relevant to SmartSize quiz. Here you find all the labels with the text that will appear by default. First, the button label. Second, the recommendation text. And third, the support link label. To translate these labels, open the Translate and Adapt app in your Shopify admin. From there, go to the Themes section. Then, click on Templates and choose Product. Inside this view, you'll see the same labels listed: the button label, the recommendation text, and the support link label. Here, you can add translations for all the languages available in your store. Simply enter the translated text in the corresponding column. You can auto-translate feature that Shopify offers for free. Keep in mind that the number of free auto-translations is limited. After that, you can either add the translations manually or subscribe to the Translate and Adapt app to auto-generate them for you. Once you've added the translations, SmartSize will display all pop-ups and labels in the correct language, giving your customers a smooth, multilingual experience in your store. If you need any help, feel free to contact us anytime at team@smartsize.io.